Hello world, this is What's Up 290, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving my thoughts on the Nintendo Switch OLED model. Now, for a while now, there's been talks of the more powerful Nintendo Switch or Switch Pro, Switch 2, whichever name you wanted to call the more supposedly more powerful Switch. And a few days ago, Nintendo announced a new model. And I have to say, the one thing, I love the Nintendo Switch, but it needs a console that's more powerful, as the 9th gen games are really struggling to run on it. And it was getting ports, and the ports it was getting of games like LA Noire, Skyrim, and all were games that were already a few years old when the Switch came out. So it was awesome getting those games on the go. But the Switch these days can't handle the big AAA games that aren't super optimized by Nintendo. So, and what's very, very strange about this is that this Switch model seems to address every issue with the original Switch and the Switch Lite, besides the lack of processing power. It's still using the Tegra X1 chip, which is a 7-year-old chip now, and that's just not going to cut it. But they're introducing a modern, better screen. They're introducing an Ethernet port. They're introducing all these new features, but they're leaving out the feature that was the most important thing: more processing power. Now, first off, this is Nintendo we're talking about. It's not like Nintendo doesn't kind of have a history of selling a console that's massively underpowered compared to its competitors. But the concern is the thing that we loved about the Nintendo Switch is that it was getting the ports of these third-party games. But now the Switch isn't going to be able to handle this third-party games, and the new model they're releasing doesn't have more processing power, and they want to try to get you to pay $350 for it. So it's just the whole thing seemed very, very strange to me. And I would love to hear your thoughts. So whatever you think about this, leave a comment below. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is What's Up 290. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm signing off. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.